Chirag.
And my name is Prarthana. Today we'll help you identify what is a base and how to identify a base and an acid using simple things found at home.
Today we are using two common household substances. One is vinegar, which is acid, and one is baking soda solution, which is a base.
To test them, we are using two indicators: litmus paper and phenolphthalein solution.
First, we take a red litmus paper. As we know, red litmus paper turns blue in an acid.
Now let's try it with blue litmus paper in a base.
Now we are going to test it with phenolphthalein, a liquid indicator that turns pink in a base and it stays colorless in an acid. So as you can see, the phenolphthalein turns pink in a base. Thank you for visiting our science exhibition. Hope you had a colorful exhibition with us.